Carter's having a play date with himself. Who's that boy? Yeah, he looks very familiar. Yeah. He has the same noises as you. Yeah. Wow. Carter. Buddy, you bored already? That was quite a hello. That was quite a hello to your new friend. Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Oh, he's there again. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah, something over there is very interesting. Bye-bye. Holding hands. Yeah. Not quite sure what else to say. He's pretty cute.